Subscribe our channel Al Said Quran Academy and press the bell icon. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Qari Abu Sa'id from Al Said Quran Academy. Today inshallah we are going to start the third part of the first lesson of Noorani Qaida. So before starting the video, if you or any of your family members are interested to learn Quran online, the number that is visible on the screen, you can contact us through WhatsApp. So without wasting time, we start our lesson. So dear viewers, today we are going to start from Qaf to Ya. Inshallah, today we are going to complete the first lesson as well. Okay, let's start. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قاف قاف. Please repeat after me. قاف. That's also from the Hurufi Mustaliya, which I told you in the previous lesson. Qaf, Qaf, Kaf, 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 Lam, 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 Mim, 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 Noon, 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 Wow, 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 Ha, 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 Hamza, 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 Ya, Ya. Both are Yas, okay? Ya, Ya, Ya. Okay, I'm going to repeat once again, please. You must repeat after me, okay? Qaf, Qaf, Kaf, Kaf, Lam, Lam, Mim, Mim, Noon, Noon, Wow, Wow, Ha, Ha, Hamza, Hamza, Ya, Ya. Okay, dear viewers, at the end I'm going to tell you the four letters are pronounced from the lips. Okay, we have 4 letters, just they pronounce from the lips. Okay, the first letter is ba. Okay, this is pronounced from lip. Okay, the second word is fa. Okay, and the third letter is mim. The last one is wow. This wow. Okay, these 4 letters just pronounced from the lips. Okay, what is their name? We call them hurufi shafawiya. Okay, hurufi shafawiya. Okay, next I'm going to tell you the 3 words more. Okay, we call them hurufi safiriya because whenever we pronounce these 3 words, the sound of these 3 words like whistle. Okay, look at the first one is za. Okay, whenever we pronounce this za, look at the sound of za, it's like whistle. Okay, za, za. And the next word is seen. Okay, pronunciation is also like whistle. And the third one is sad. Okay, these 3 words we call hurufi safiriya, and it sounds is like whistle. But at the end I'm going to ask you some question related with this topic. Okay, the first question is that how many hurufi safiriya do we have? Okay, the second one, how many hurufi shafawiya do we have? I hope inshallah you understand well.